Hey everybody, welcome back to the Automation Minute. In today's show, I want to talk to you about what the software programming options that are available for the Micro800. Now, if a lot of people haven't used it. I didn't use it because it wasn't Studio 5000, right, or RS Logics. But man, after I taught a course, oh gee whiz, I think it's going back 8 years now, I kind of became a fan of it because I like it for the price. It's pretty cool, and if you're already using Rockwell, I definitely recommend trying it out. And let's take a look at what the software is. Now, unlike some other manufacturers, this is a full-blown PLC. This is not just a smart relay. So I just wanted to share that with you. Now, let's take a look at what the software options are available today. And this is an excerpt from a lesson over at the Automation School. It's a lesson that has a free preview on it. So I'm going to link in the description to that lesson. You can watch the entire lesson for free, but I did want to do a snippet of this to bring people up to date here on the Automation Minute. So you can see here, you can get the standard edition for free still, right? So you can download it. I've covered how to do that on the channel many times. I also covered in my lessons and update it. And going all the way back to version 12. Now they did jump from version, I think it was 13 to 20, which I think we all kind of thought was odd, but whatever. In any case, in version 12, they actually built in a simulator or an emulator, and that only runs for 10 minutes in the free edition, but at least it has something, right? I know other vendors we cover on the show, they give that away for free in every version, even in the free trials. But this is a free version that doesn't cost anything ever. So you get a 10-minute trial of the PLC simulator, 10 minutes at a time. You can stop it and restart it. And that's cool. I think that's cool because a lot of people don't have a physical unit when they're learning, right? And so in any case, now there's also a developer edition. That edition has a bunch of other features. I'll talk about those in a minute. But that's about $192 a year as of November 2024. I know we just turned the calendar to December, but I did all this research previously for the updated listen. And so in any case, $192 per license per year. And that includes 8 to 5 support, telephone support. It's very difficult, if not impossible, to unselect that on their website. So that's why I priced it like that. Not that I've called tech support in the last 10 years, I haven't. But in any case, so that's really for the new people, or for the merely like a maintenance person who's not really very trained up on PLCs. So not very help to us who have been doing this for a while. But in any case, now if you wanted to buy it outright, this developer edition outright and own it forever, you still get a year of tech support, but and then your first year. I don't know if they force you. I don't think they force you to keep that going, but who knows? If you want updates, of course, you need that. That's $583. Like one-time purchase, and you own the license, perpetual license. So that's kind of the differences there. Now, this is what the pricing portal looks like at ab.com. Again, rockwellautomation.com. I say ab.com because it just redirects to Rockwell Automation, right? I had somebody say, hey, ab.com is defunct. It's like, yes, I say that. I say that in every video because it's just you type in 2 letters, .com, and you get to Rockwell Automation, mouthful of extra characters at the end of that. But in any case, I did want to show you what it looks like. You only need a free account at Rockwell Automation to use the pricing tool. Unless you log in, it won't let you show you the pricing tool. Okay, so but that's what it looks like. That's a screenshot. And then here's the developer editions. Now, if you are an OEM who's want to protect your intellectual property, you probably need to get this, right? But for anybody else, you're probably going to be most interested in runtime changes, online edits. And this was a feature that they told us was coming. I actually had customers yell at me saying, Sean, you said you could do online edits. I can't do online edits. I'm like, did you install the developer edition from your toolkit, or did you just use the free one from the website? And so, and they had no idea what I was talking about. But in any case, it finally came out. I don't even know what version it came out in, but you can do runtime edits to your Micro800s with the developer edition, which I think is cool. And it's kind of like if you're doing this professionally, not just learning on the side, definitely something you want to have. Again, if we look at the price there, we're only talking, $583 for a lifetime copy, right? So reasonable, I think, kind of. I think the Siemens S7-1200 lifetime copy is, I want to say, under 500. So while this isn't as powerful as the S7-1200, this is, that S7-1200 is more like a compact logic. Still, don't count it out if you're a Rockwell fan because it's a great PLC. And and they also have these starter kits. I just found this. Very cool. Don't know how long these are going to be out, but you guys probably know 11, 12 years ago, 13 years ago, I bought one of these and I did a show on it. the Micro 850 one. The Micro 850 was new at that point. But in any case, check out this. Look at it. You get the light version. You get the PLC, right? An Ethernet Micro 850, like an 820. I'm sorry, Micro 820 Ethernet PLC, 248. Now this is not a keep going kit. You can't buy this more than once. It really cracks me up with like, oh, I want to buy 5 of those. I want to buy one every month. It's like it's a starter pack, not a keep going pack. Anyways, I'm being silly. But in any case, I do recommend if you're doing this for learning and you have the cash, the 464. You know, that's great. You get a little HMI, a Micro 800, which I like so much better than the. I'm sorry, PanelView 800, so much better than the PanelView component, which really had an underpowered processor, which you know, it really programs the same. It just has more horsepower. We told them when they showed us the PanelView component, like early in beta, we told them it was too slow, and then everybody who bought one said it was too slow and was mad at us for letting them buy it. It's like. So in any case, they have a number of these. Again, this publication was pretty recent. We checked it out. It was on their website on the 7th of November, so I'm thinking those are still available. But in any case, if you want to learn the Micro 800, now this is going to teach you more. You know, when you learn this, you're going to be learning more kind of like generic IEC 61131-3, which is good, because there are some instructions in this unit. And again, we've covered the Logix view that they've added to it. We've covered that previously. But, you know, things like the count up down, right? That's one of the things you're not going to find on Logix, right? In ladder logic and Logix. But you will find in the Micro 800 and almost every other major PLC on the market. So there's instructions. As a matter of fact, the V36 of Logix Designer Rockwell renamed some of the instructions. They renamed the move to the movie and other instructions to make them close to the standard. And so I do think it's worth work. Now, will it teach you exactly how to program and control Logix? No. But in any case, if you're looking for a brand new PLC for $250 with free software, it's definitely an option. Of course, we're going to be covering other options too over the course of the month. And we've covered, you know, over the last 12, 14 years, we've covered a lot of options. But in any case, so that's this episode of the Automation Minute. Don't forget, we do have a course starting, I think it's $49.99 on the Micro 800. And I think that course is, you'll have to look at the website. I think it's over 4 hours plus lifetime support, lifetime copy of the course. You don't have to pay anything every year. It's perpetual course enrollment. We know a lot of people buy courses and don't get to take them for a few months. So we don't make it expire on you. Holiday sale, use the coupon code HOLIDAY24 that went live Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern. And you can get 10% off any of the courses, not the software, because the software we resell, but the courses. And we include our own simulator, totally free license for students with every PLC course. So you don't even have to download anything. You can get our simulator running on Windows 10 or 11 and you're good. So with that, I just wanted to share this with you. I just updated the lesson. I will include a link to the full-blown lesson in the description. It's free preview. And hopefully that will help you guys if you're planning on using the Micro 800. And if you have questions, you know, feel free to put them as a comment to this video, whether it's on the Automation blog or on YouTube. Those are the 2 main places we publish videos. And I'd be happy to, if I know the answer, I'll answer them for sure. But in any case, I know then some people go and they write, hey, solve my application. Here's all the details. It's like, dude, I can't give you a free day worth of work. But in any case, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I want to wish you all an awesome rest of your week. I want to wish you good health and happiness. And until next time, my friends, peace.